Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is One of One, but you can call me Seven. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everyone. It is literally December 24th. I wanted to make a little video saying thank you and talking about this year in retrospect. You guys will get a little bit more of this in New Year's, but I thought it would be a good time to get a head start on that. So anyway, I've been saying this for a couple months now. Lots of big changes are coming to the channel, and I won't necessarily give you guys all the details right now, but just know that the format of the channel, the format of the videos, the style of the content, it's all going to change. The way that I actually produce everything, it's all going to be different, and it's all hopefully going to serve you guys better. I want to make better content for you guys in 2025. And I'm really excited to do that. I also just wanted to say thank you for all the support this year. We're closing up 2024 and getting ready to hit the ground running in 2025. And I'm really excited about the growth I've had, and I'm really excited about the plans that I have for the future, especially with different ideas for content and stuff that I've come up with that I figured would just fit better with the way the channel is going to look in 2025. We've finished a lot of games this year. We've done a lot. It's actually really hard for me to think of everything that I've done. But we've done a couple visual novels. We've finished Dark Souls 1 and 2. Trails in the Sky is going to be done before the year is out. Or sorry, Trails in the Sky second chapter. That leaves Dark Souls 3 and Trails in the Sky the third. Elden Ring on the horizon. Trails from Azure on the horizon. More visual novels. I think Steins Gate 0 I'm also going to put tentatively out there in the horizon. I've got some video essay ideas. I wanted to finish Nier Automata video essay, but it was just too hard with all the stuff that I was doing, all the stuff I had to juggle, and trying to keep up with the demands of a daily upload schedule. It hasn't been awful. There's definitely been a lot of laziness on my part, but it's been kind of hard to get under editing all of that when I had so many other things that I wanted to do. But that will be coming out in early 2025. I promise. It's going to happen, and the way that we're structuring the channel come the new year is going to make it a lot easier for me to do bigger projects. I want to do skits. I want to do longer form content for the games that I actually play. I want more input from you guys. There's going to be a lot that I am going to ask of you guys in 2025 in terms of participating and telling me what you want to see on the channel and how you want videos and stuff to look. I'm hoping maybe I'll get some singing on the channel and more voice acting stuff on the channel in 2025, but otherwise, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday season with or without your families. Take care of yourselves, be safe, have a good time, eat, drink, be merry, and I will see you guys soon. We are just a week away from 365 days worth of videos. I will have done one video a day since January 1st, 2024, and yeah, the enormity of that, the gravity of that has kind of hit me recently. So we'll talk about it. I'll see you guys soon. So have a good rest of your day. Have a great night. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.